What's going on, guys? Shevon here, back with a new video, and finally, not finally that I'm back, but finally I got my Dbrand grip. I've been waiting for my Dbrand grip for over 5 months. I saw the videos, I saw all the preheat, all the hype and everything, and I just had to cop it. So I got it off Indiegogo and I have it with me today. I've been using it for the past few months, guys, and trust me, this is the truth about the Dbrand grip. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. Alright guys, so if you don't already know Dbrand, like, come on, are you living under a rock? If you don't know Dbrand, it's basically one of the best skin manufacturers out right now in the world. Alongside SlickWraps, they produce skins for iPhones, iPads, laptops, Nintendo Switches, Apple Pencils, just basically all the devices that are out right now. Android devices, Nexus, Google Pixel, anything possible, Samsung Galaxy S9, LG, all those phones, they have a skin for it. But they decided that they wanted to come into the smartphone case market, and they took the route of making a bumper case, and they call it the Dbrand grip, and they're saying that this is the grippiest case ever. Now, the best thing about this is that I knew Dbrand was good on packaging and everything, and I was so surprised at how good the box was. So when I just saw the box, I was just super excited. If you see me looking right there, it's because I'm looking on the monitor, but the box was just super clean. It looked like a Lamborghini to me. I don't know why, it just reminded me of Lamborghini. Black and yellow trim around the box, and it has the Dbrand sign right here. I don't know if you could see it, but it says Dbrand. I opened the box, guys, and I was greeted with magnificent packaging. On the top, we would see Dbrand grip and all the special things about it that we'll talk about later. The impact technology, the carbon composite, revolutionary grip, and the skin compatibility. Okay, now inside the box we got the Dbrand grip, which is already on my phone, and we also got this weird card right here. So I don't know, it's a cool card, I'll keep it. And then on the back, look what it says: don't this up, follow the link. So basically they're saying if you don't know how to install the skin and the grip, just go to their website and you could install it. Now, if you look on my phone right here, guys, you could see that I have the Dbrand grip installed with the camel skin, which I think is one of the best skins Dbrand has ever made, not SlickWraps. I think it's just the best skin they've ever made, guys. Super sick. Now, onto the review. No, there's just a few things I want to talk about it, like how does it feel, is it really grippy, and drop protection. That's all I need to talk about, the button clicks and everything. That's basically all you could talk about with a case for a phone, basically. Since it's new and a lot of people are anticipating about buying it and everything, I decided I need to do a review on this case so you guys could know what I think about it as a daily user of technology. Okay guys, now the major selling point of this case is that it's the grippiest case in the world. I mean, I agree to some extent, because this thing sticks to almost every surface and it's very hard to move, especially on a glass at an angle. The next thing I would like to talk about is the buttons and the openings for the port of the Dbrand grip. Now, the buttons, the volume rockers are amazing. It's sometimes hard to click, to be honest, and I keep like taking screenshots. So like right here, sometimes I keep taking screenshots because like when I just got it, it was really hard to press the volume up and volume down buttons. But since the past few months I kind of wore it in, it's kind of easy to press, but I think they should have made it easier to click those buttons. The volume rocker is fine. I have no issues with it. It works perfectly fine. The power button, same thing as the volume rockers, guys. I wish it was kind of softer, because sometimes to be honest, it's like big, it's long, it's longer than the power button. I think it's just really hard to press. I don't know, let me know what your thoughts down below if you have one of these. And also the cutout for the speaker grills and the charging port / headphone jack is perfect, spot on. Everything is fine with that. The overall design is amazing. The grips on the side of the case is also great for like gripping the phone. To be honest, I've never dropped this phone since I've got this case. I'm not saying like, oh, it's because of the grip. I don't really drop my phone, but since I had this case, I've never dropped it. If you're putting this case into your pockets, guys, if you have like jeans pocket, it would kind of be hard to put in because of all the grip on the side and the D30 composite on each corner of the case. So it's just kind of hard to slide into pockets at times, especially your track pants. It just like, it's sticking to your pockets, so it's kind of hard to slide in. Now, what's bad about the case is the only thing I would say is bad about this case is that the buttons are too hard to click. In my opinion, it's just too hard to click. You have to wear it in, but after you wear it in, it will be good. The great things about this case, guys, is how protective it is and the opportunity to show your skin design. Now, these cases are made perfectly for Dbrand, right? So the Dbrand skins would show perfectly. You won't have no issues. But if you're looking for a wraparound skin, I would avoid that one. I'd go for the skin that only shows, for example, only a backplate skin. That would be amazing. Also, if you look closely, you can see that there is a lip around the case. So the camera is perfectly, like, it has support. So if you put your phone face down, the camera would have support because of this lip around the case right here, which is just really thoughtful of Dbrand. Also, I said the D30 is amazing with the shock resistance. It's all around 4 corners, which is amazing. So in my opinion, guys, this is probably one of the best bumper cases you could find for your smartphone right now in the world. It's from Dbrand. They spend a lot of time, and I think it's just really amazing. So yes, guys, that was my review on the Dbrand grip case. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, please. And yes, I'm back in full effect. More videos coming out soon. Watch out for new videos throughout the week. Let me know what you want to see next down below in the comment section, guys. And as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.